The Hsc8 is introduced as a comprehensive solution for wire termination tasks. This product focuses primarily on ferrule crimping applications, providing a dedicated tool for precise connections across a range of electrical projects. At its core, this offering includes dedicated ferrule crimping pliers, designed to handle a broad spectrum of wire gauges from 0.25 to 10 square millimeters. Beyond its primary crimping function, the set also incorporates a wire stripper, adding a crucial preparatory step to the wire termination process. The inclusion of these two distinct yet complementary tools within a single package streamlines workflow for various electrical projects. Such a combination makes the Hsc8 suitable for a range of applications where secure wire connections are paramount. From panel wiring and electrical installations to automotive projects or DIY electronics, the ability to both strip and crimp wires within the specified gauge range supports consistent and reliable electrical connections. The versatility derived from its dual functionality addresses common requirements in many wiring scenarios. As a hand tool, the design emphasizes direct user control over the crimping and stripping processes. The designation as a kit further implies that it arrives ready for immediate deployment, eliminating the need to source individual components separately. A notable aspect of this complete set is the inclusion of 1,200 terminals, which significantly enhances its out-of-the-box utility and readiness for numerous projects, reinforcing its value as a self-contained solution for wire crimping requirements. In summary, the Hsc8 presents itself as a focused and practical set for common wire termination needs. By combining ferrule crimping pliers, a wire stripper, and a substantial quantity of terminals into one package, it offers a functional and immediate solution for managing wires within its specified range. It stands as a straightforward option for those requiring a dedicated tool for precise wire crimping and preparation.